Today we learn parts of speech, nouns. A common noun is a person, place or thing. Can you identify what type of noun are shown on the following slides? Forest, rain, shark. Shark is noun. Snake. Snake is noun. Behave. Beehive is noun. Waitress. Waitress is noun. Park. Park is noun. Railway track is noun. Barn, noun. Desert. Desert is noun. Factory. Factory is noun. And in this slide, frog is noun. Cave. Cave is noun. Boy. In this slide, boy is noun. In this slide, fish, noun. Beach is noun. Farm is noun. Reef is noun. And in this slide, trees is noun. Bedroom is noun. Kids are noun. Road is noun. Family is noun. Surfer is noun. Plane is noun. Rainbow is noun. Butterfly is noun. Swing is noun. Castle is noun. Student is noun. And the last is moon. Moon is noun. Thank you.